बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am showing you a most beautiful and super classy DIY macrame wall hanging decoration ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing and super attractive macrame wall hanging decoration ideas for your home. You can make these macrame wall hanging ideas at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wall hangings. I personally liked and also enjoyed these type of craft work, and I also want to make these type of wall hanging for my home decor. And you guys watch different other craft videos on my channel about Macrame ideas, wall hanging, power painting ideas, button craft, and so on. I am very thankful to you guys for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I love to share craft videos on my channel with you guys. If you guys want different other kind of craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel, inshallah. If you like this video and if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends, with your family members. They also enjoyed this video. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members, and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for my different other videos. So guys, follow my channel for more details and for more videos. And these are very beautiful, these are very amazing and classy ideas for you guys. You must make these macrame wall hanging decor at your home, and you guys decorate your homes with these macramas. These are very beautiful and the color combinations are also very beautiful. I like these type of macrame wall hangings. These are attractive and very calm colors added in these macramas. So I hope so you like this video. So take care guys, be happy, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.